India is our motherland. We love every state, every regional party, every regional languages, every regional food, everything. Their culture, their heritage. Pan India is our vision, and which to strengthen the regional party is our mission. And that's why if we would work together, then everything is okay. I am a Bengali, so I cannot come to Goa. You are a Goan, so you cannot come to Bengal. We don't believe this theory. So all the people, whoever is Indian, they can go to anywhere. It is their freedom of choice. And they are the citizens of this country very much, but everybody has some two identity. One is their motherland is India, and second identity, the first identity, they have born and brought up from where. That is their identity. If your identity, you belong to Goa, your identity, first identity, you are born, and then you are Indian also.
दीदी 2024 में लोकसभा इलेक्शन जो होने वाले हैं, अगर अपोजिशन चाहे तो क्या आप कंसेंसस कैंडिडेट को प्राइम मिनिस्टर पोस्ट बनना चाहोगे?
भाई हमको तो कम्युनल रहना बहुत बढ़िया लगता है, अच्छा लगता है. There are some politicians in this country who feel themselves proud to say they are the VIP, and I am proud to say I am an LIP, means less important person. Let us continue as a stick fighter.
Hello. Hello.
Environment, we love environment like anything, because if environment is not properly taken care, then everything will be spoiled. We don't want the poisonous air. We want that pollution free, the environment. Whatever we are doing, we have the planning of pollution control board and everything environment. We set up 5 crore denarii every time in my state. Even from mangrove for the sea, to save the sea also. 5 crore mangrove we have already planted in Bengal. So I think without environment we cannot live. This global warming is going on, and we are totally against of global warming. What is going on? We are not taking it seriously, but we have to take it very seriously. We have to protect the green and clean, and we have to protect the environment also.
Didi, would you like Vijay Sardesai to merge his party into Trinamool Congress? Would you like Vijay Sardesai to merge?
We discussed the matter that let us work together who are committed to fight against BJP. So it is their decision, their choice, what they will decide. We want to avoid the division of the vote. The regional local parties can work together to fight the BJP and to give a good fight to the BJP.
Just like you all holding your own in West Bengal, standing up to the BJP, similarly Arvind Kejriwal is doing the same thing in Delhi, and he is also contesting election in Goa. So will the two of you be adversaries here in Goa, or is there anything that you
What do you think that only Arvind Kejriwal will contest everywhere in this country and no other political party? They are no, please. No, yesterday I am watching, you are only asking for this particular political party. I love him. I have no problem for that. But please realize that who are being able, who knows this country, the problem is, and who are in politics, because Delhi they won because of Anna Hazare. You have to appreciate that movement. Everybody gets supported. Even you people also, the civil society. They get full support. And it is not that everywhere only one political party will go and another cannot go. I didn't stop them to going to Punjab. So why can you stop us to come to Goa?
Is there any similarity between what you want and what they want? Do you think it's possible that
मैंने बोला है क्या हम कोई अलग पॉलिटिकल पार्टी का बात नहीं कर सकते हैं, because they have their own freedom, they have their own choice, they have their own setup. I can say about my party and the local regional political parties who are really facing trouble, and they want to fight BJP because Goa is facing the problem, the unemployment problem, the fishing sector's problem, the taxi drivers problem, the farmers problem, the mining problem, every problem they are facing today. But Goa has everything with them, only the leadership is lagging behind. And the mechanism and the system, and that's why I think let us build up Goa so that Goa can build up with their own, they can stand in their own legs, and Goa may be the beginning of the end to defeat the BJP rule.
Madam, I have a question. Now, PLC has been working here for over a month very aggressively, but we don't find your state executive committee so far. So when will be the state executive committee?
भाई बातचीत करने दो, डेमोक्रेसी में बातचीत करने
How
होता है।
long it will take?
और कितना आदमी आएगा आप देख लो, और कितना आई हुई है, इसको देखना पड़ता है। इस चीज सेंसिटिव चीज भी होता है। We want to give more power to women, the young generation also, more power to farmers community, the fishing community, the taxi drivers and all. So let us decide that whoever the people want to join, after that we can do it. It hardly matters. Family is there, so who will lead the family? That automatically it will come.
दीदी एक सवाल मैं पूछना चाहूँगा। महंगाई जो है वो चरम सीमा पे है, इस बात पे आप सहमत हो क्या?
महंगाई इतना बढ़ रहा है, बीजेपी की तो कुछ बात कहना ही नहीं है। एलपीजी का भाव अब देखो एक साल में कितना बढ़ गया, अब देखो डीजल का भाव कितना बढ़ गया, पेट्रोल का भाव कितना बढ़ गया, क्या हालत है जीएसटी के लिए। बिजनेस पूरा बंद होकर पड़ा है, इवन एक्सपोर्ट इज ऑल्सो बंद होकर पड़ा है। लेकिन बीजेपी का कोई फुर्सत ही नहीं है इसको बारे में चर्चा करने के लिए। आज पूरा किचन आज जल रहा है, आज अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट इतना बढ़ रहा है कि लोगों के पास में खाना भी नहीं है। एक परिस्थिति में बीजेपी जो बोले थे कि सच्चे दिन लेके आएगा, अच्छे दिन लेके आएगा, और झूठा दिन देश को खत्म कर देगा।
इसी को जोड़कर मेरा सवाल है कि गोवा के मुख्यमंत्री जो मनोहर पर्रिकर जी थे, उन्होंने वैट अबॉलिश किया था। क्या आप पश्चिम बंगाल में पेट्रोल और डीजल की कीमतें कमी करने के लिए वैट अबॉलिश कर सकती हो क्या?
देखिए, गोवा का पॉपुलेशन बेंगल का पॉपुलेशन डिफरेंट है, एक एक स्टेट का एक एक इशू होता है। हम भी कंसेशन देता है, हमारा कंसेशन भी चल रहा है। पहले आप बढ़ाएंगे, इसको बाद आप रीजनल पार्टी को ही प्रेशर देंगे। कैसे होता है? बढ़ाते क्यों है बीजेपी? कोई पार्टी इतना भाव कोई नहीं बढ़ाया, क्यों बढ़ाता है? देश के लिए कोई चिंतित ही नहीं है, लोगों को कितना परेशानी होता है। आज फार्मर्स लोग एक साल से रास्ता बैठा है, बीजेपी का नजर ही नहीं है, क्यों वे भी विड्रॉ नहीं करता है, कोई काम नहीं करता है। झूठा करके 100 करोड़ वैक्सीन कर दिया, क्या 30 करोड़ पीपुल का एक भी वैक्सीन नहीं मिला, ओनली 29% को डबल वैक्सीन मिला। लेकिन हमारा 130 मिलियन पीपुल है, तो अगर आप छोटा बच्चा को पकड़ेगा तो इसको 150 मिलियन हो जाएगा, तो कहाँ गया, कहाँ है? व्हाट अबाउट दिस पीएम केयर्स फंड? सब सीसर का रुपया लिया, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉयज का रुपया लिया, हर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का रुपया लिया। अभी कहते हैं ऑडिट भी नहीं होगा, और वो प्राइम मिनिस्टर का डिश फंड भी नहीं गिरेगा, और गवर्नमेंट का फंड भी नहीं है। क्या चल रहा है? नो क्रेडिबिलिटी, नो क्रेडेंशियल्स, and nobody can question. And if I question, then they will send the ED to my house or the CBI. Even the press people are not scared. You know how they harass the Hindu people also, how they harass the other press people also. Jagran, even the other people also, LGBT and others. क्या है? देश चल रहा है. If media is not strong, then country is not strong. Media is to say the truth. They advise the media, you have to do this, you have to say this. Every morning they are giving advice to media. और मीडिया अगर कुछ लिखता है खिलाफ में तो उसको थ्रेट करता है, उसको पास इनकम टैक्स भेज देता है, ईडी भेज देता है, सीबीआई भेज देता है, ऐसे नहीं चलते हैं। देखता है ईडी इनकम टैक्स भेजने का काम उन्होंने किया है, अगर इतना तक चिंता करते हैं देश के लिए तो देश का अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट प्रॉब्लम इतना ज्यादा नहीं होता है।
Good morning, madam. Gerard here from Hindustan Times. Coincidentally, Rahul Gandhi also is in Goa today. So, will you use the opportunity to maybe make a courtesy visit on him?
I don't have any reply about that. Anybody can come, it is their choice.
Mathari, Newton Times of India. Just a follow-up question to that. Do you see any possibility of working with the Congress both at the state level and at the national level, or is that door closed?
Who asks about Congress?
No, man. I'm asking, is CMC keeping the door closed for the Congress, or is that possibility still open?
I cannot say everything right now because they didn't take seriously in politics. Modi is going to be more powerful because of Congress, because they are their PRP. If one cannot take a decision, why the country will suffer for that? Why country will suffer for that? They have got enough opportunity. They have contested instead of BJP, they contested against of me. In my state, don't you think that morning shows the day? When they contested against of me even, when they contested against of my political party in Bengal, how they expect they will contest against of us and we will give only flowers to them and sweet to them. We have to distribute the sweet for all the regional parties. I want to see the regional parties are strong, and we want that union of states. That theory should be changed, and federal structure should be strong. Then every state strong. If every state strong, then central strong. दिल्ली का दादागिरी अनिक नक्का enough is enough, fair enough.
Now, just a follow-up question to what you said.
And just one more maximum. This is our second half.
You spoke about decisions and the Congress not acting appropriately. What are the decisions that you're looking for? What will make you take Congress seriously?
I am not going to discuss about Congress because this is not my party. I set up my own regional party and without any support from anybody, we are there 3 times to form the government because of people's raising. So their policy let them decide. I am not going to say anything about them. And this is not my system also. I don't interfere in any other political party business. I can say about my political party. And our fight against BJP will continue. We are not going to bow down our head to BJP.
One last question. One last question.
I love to see that all should work together.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so
all.
much.
नमस्कार, मैं हूं मानक गुप्ता। अगर आपको हमारा ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो इसे लाइक और शेयर जरूर करें और हां, हमें सब्सक्राइब और फॉलो करना ना भूलें ताकि आप देश और दुनिया की कोई खबर मिस ना करें। तो जुड़े रहिए हमारे साथ और देखते रहिए न्यूज़ 24।